Hi, I'm Mary, and today I want to welcome you back for an all-new plan with me. So I will be posting this on My Beautiful Mess. That is my blog, where you can find lots of Happy Planner tutorials and even some free Happy Planner worksheets, printables and things like that that you can print out and put in your Happy Planner. So today we're going to do a plan with me, and we are using 2 of the new sticker books, Radiate Positivity, and then the accessory pack that goes along with it. And in case you're new to the accessory packs, these include some stickers, and then here you have some post-it notes or sticky notes. Technically they're not post-it notes. And then they also have these cute little punch cards, and they're all a little different. There's normally some duplicates here in the back, as you can see. And these are things that they're already pre-punched for you, so you can just put it right into your planner. So let's get started.